Socialist Students Union of Manipur (SSUM) has come down strongly on the Manipur Public Service Commission (Mpsc) for its gross negligence in conducting Manipur Civil Services mains examination held yesterday. The press release issued by Publicity and Information Secretary Salam Inau Yaima stated that the Commission committed a serious procedural lapse by distributing question paper in the forenoon session that, though bearing the correct title, contained questions meant for the afternoon session. The union termed the incident as shocking administrative failure and critical breakdown in the verification process, raising serious doubts about MPSC's credibility and its printing partner entrusted with confidential examination materials. The student body further stated that such repeated blunders have eroded public trust in Mpsc, especially following the 2016 examination fiasco and years of recruitment delays. SSUM demanded public apology from the Commission, a high-level inquiry to identify and penalize those responsible, and introduction of strict preventive measures to avoid such lapses in the future. Expressing solidarity with all affected aspirants, the union urged Manipur government to intervene immediately to ensure transparency, accountability and justice in the matter.